So now, since the audio has finished importing, I'm going to AMA link and transcode the interview footage. So I'm going to go over to my David interview AMA bin, which is right here. So right click, go to input source browser, and navigate to where my interview footage is. And I'm going to select the footage that I want to import. Hit link, and close the browser window. And so first, um, here's one thing I want to do real quick, which is I want to customize my bin layout. So start time code, I want tracks. I'm just moving stuff over in the bin. You can click and drag the columns up here at the top and drag them to where you want them to be, in what order. So name, then start time code, then duration, then tape ID. Okay, so it goes start time code, then duration, then creation date, then tape ID. So I want to save this. So go up here to the drop down box at the top of the bin and hit save as, and I'm going to give it a name, assist, and click OK. It's going to save me a lot of time in the future. So now when I go to any of my other bins, I can click up here at the top in the drop down box and go to assist, and it loads my bin layout. So it makes it a lot easier. So now I've AMA linked all my interview footage here. So now I'm going to, well, I'm going to give it a tape ID. So you click in the tape ID box, and this is going to be B002. Whatever the camera load is. So B001, and this is A001. All right, all my interview clips have a tape ID, and I gave them all a start time code. This is starting at hour 1, this is starting at hour 1, this is starting at hour 2. Because I shot this on an iPhone, there's no time of day time code. But if you're working on a show or a movie, all the footage is going to have time of day time code. And same for the audio. So now I'm going to transcode it. So I'm going to select all the footage, right click, and go to consolidate transcode. Transcode it to the Mac HD drive. And I'm going to use keep sources frame rate, DNxHR LB as my codec. And I've got the audio boxes checked at the bottom, so that all looks good. And then hit transcode. And then I'll let you know what to do next when this is done transcoding.